Coming to next question. A matrix is given, B matrix is given, C matrix is given. They asked to find sigma k equal to 0 to infinity 1 by 3 power k into trace of A into BC power k. First I will find the BC value. BC nothing but B into C, that is 4, 3, 7, 5 B matrix. Now C matrix minus 5, 3, 7, minus 4. Multiply both row into column. Minus 20 plus 21 1, 12 minus 12 0, minus 35 plus 35 0, 21 minus 21. This is the identity matrix. So you can take BC power k, you can take any value of k, that is I power k, that is I. A times of BC power k equal to A into I, that is A. Any matrix into identity matrix is a same matrix will come. Any matrix means A into identity matrix is A. Now coming to the problem, sigma k equal to 0 to infinity 1 by 3 power k into trace of A into BC power k. BC power k is the I. A into I is A. So this is the sigma k equal to 0 to infinity 1 by 3 power k into trace of A. Trace of A, sum of diagonal means, that is 7 plus 8 equal to 15. So that is equal to sigma trace of A into sigma k equal to 0 to infinity 1 by 3 power k. Trace of A is 15. So 1 by 3 power 0, expand the sigma 1 by 3 power 1 plus 1 by 3 k plus 1 by 3 q plus and so on up to infinity. That is the 15 into sum of infinite terms in the GP. 3 power 0 means 1. 1 by 1 means 1. Sum of infinite terms in the GP is A by 1 minus R. This is A is 1, R is 1 by 3, 1 minus 1 by 3. Like 15 into 3 by 3 minus 1, 2. 45 by 2. Copy this column. Coming to second question. If the inverse of the matrix A is B, B is given A inverse, that is adjoint A by det A. B is given A inverse, that is adjoint A by det A. Now you have to find the det A and adjoint A. Det A means 2 minus 1 8, 5 minus 2 7. So that is 3 into minus 7 plus 16, minus 4 into 14 minus 40, 5 into minus 4 plus 5. This will get 27, 26 means 80, 104 plus 104 plus 5, 9, 136. Now adjoint A. Adjoint A you have to write directly. You can write in the column matrix minus 1, second row, second element onwards, 8, 2, minus 1, minus 2, 7, 5, minus 2, 4, 5, 3, 4, minus 1, 8, 2, minus 1. You can find the value adjoint A. This is a minus 1, minus 7 plus 16, 9, minus 10 plus 28, minus 10 plus 20, minus 10 minus 28, minus 38, 32 plus 5, 37, 40 minus 14, 26, 21 minus 21, 25, minus 4, 10 minus 24, minus 14, minus 4 plus 5, 1, 20 plus 6, 26, minus 3 minus 8 minus 11. So B equal to adjoint A by det A, that is 1 by 136 into 9 minus 38, 37, 26 minus 4 minus 14, 1, 26 minus 11. They are asking B transpose. B transpose means transpose you can take 136. First row changes column 9 minus 38, 37, 26 minus 4 minus 14, 126 minus 11. Copy the problem. Coming to next question. X equal to alpha, y equal to beta, z equal to gamma are the solutions of the system of equations is given x plus y plus z and 2x minus y plus 3z equal to 9, 3x plus y plus 2z equal to 8. Then find the 4 alpha plus 2 beta plus 3 gamma. By using the convenience method, I will do the answer. Otherwise, you can eliminate the x quotient, y quotient, z quotient. Solution of the equation. I will go for convenience method. Delta is quotient matrix 1, 1, 1, 2, minus 1, 3, 3, 1, 2. That is a 1 into minus 2 minus 3, minus 1 into 4 minus 9, plus 1 into 2 plus 3. We get minus 5 plus 5 minus plus 5. That is the 5 is the answer. Similarly, you can find delta 1. Delta 1 means replace first column with the constants. Constants have 4, 9, 8. 4, 9, 8. 1 minus 1, 1, 1, 3, 2. Like delta 2 you can find. Replace second column with the constants. First column and third column is same. Second column you have 4, 9, 8. Delta 3 you can find. So delta 3 value 1, 2, 3. 1 minus 1, 1, replace third column with the constant 4, 9, 8. We get this is a 3, 3, 14. 3, 3, 14. Then alpha value is, means x is the alpha. Alpha equal to x, that is the delta 1 by delta 3 by 5. Beta value is y, that is delta 2 by delta 3 by 5. Gamma is z, that equal to delta 3 by delta 14 by 5. They are asking the question 4 alpha plus 2 beta plus 3 gamma. 4 into 3 by 5, 12 by 5. Plus 2 into 3 by 5, 6 by 5. 43 is 42, 42 by 5. So total we get 48, 60 by 5. 60 by 5 means 12. Copy the problem. Next question. The equation obtained by eliminating a comma b comma c from the given equations. X is given a by b minus c cross multiplication bx minus cx equal to a. Taking left hand side, right hand side, a minus bx plus cx equal to 0. This is the one. Next, y is given b by c minus a. Cross multiply we get cy minus ay equal to b. Taken right hand side, ay plus b minus ay equal to 0. This is a 2. Z equal to c by a minus b. Cross multiplication az minus bz equal to c. That is a az minus bz minus c equal to 0. This is a 3. To eliminate a comma b comma c in 1 comma 2 comma 3. So you have to take the quotient matrix equal to 0. Then we get 1, a quotient 1, b quotient is minus x, c quotient is x. In the second equation, a quotient is y, b quotient you have 1, c quotient is minus y. Third equation, a quotient z, b quotient minus z, minus 1 equal to 0. But answer is given 1 minus x, 1 x, 1 1 minus y, 1 z 1 is given. So you can eliminate, convert it into that part. So I will do one thing. C1 tends to C1 plus C2 plus C3 I will get. You have to change the first column 1 1 1. That is the reason I will write as C1 tends to C1 plus C2 plus C3. If we add these three, 1 minus x plus x 1, y plus 1 minus y 1, z minus 1 will get. So that is a 1 minus x plus x 1, y plus 1 minus y, that is 1, z minus 1, that is a minus 1, minus x 1 minus z, x minus y minus 1 equal to 0. Third column we have to multiply by minus. Third column multiply by minus. Third row multiply by minus. We get 1 minus x 1 minus y, 1 minus 1 becomes a plus 1, minus z becomes a plus z, minus 1 becomes a plus 1 equal to 0. That is the answer. Copy the problem. So the solution, A is a 3 by 3 matrix. So N is the order of the matrix 3. Det A is given 2. A is 3 by 3 matrix. That means order of the matrix N equal to 3. Det A equal to 2. They are asking to find adjoint or det of adjoint A into adjoint of adjoint A. Det of adjoint A formula we have det A whole power n minus 1 whole square. Adjoint of adjoint A formula is det A whole power n minus 2 into A. So det A means they given 2. 2 power n minus 1 means 3 minus 1 2 square into det A means 2 power n minus 2 3 minus 2 into A. 2 square 4 2 power 4 into 2 into A. That is 2 power 5 means 32A. Answer. Maximum they are giving the inverse from the inverse one question definitely they are giving. From the inverse of the matrix or adjoint of the matrix. From that one question, linear equations one questions, determinants one questions, next algebra of the matrices one question. Total 4 units in the matrices. One is the algebra of the matrices, determinants, next inverse and adjoint, next linear equations. Linear equation they are giving the one question, inverse and adjoint one question, next determinants may be or may not be one question, algebra of the matrices one question. Coming to this problem in the IP most important, you have to find the values of x, y, z, x value alpha, y value beta, z value gamma. Similar Cramer's rule I will follow. Delta equal to 2 minus 1 8 3 4 5 5 minus 2 7. We get minus 136 answer. Delta 1 we have replace first column with the constant matrix 13 18 20. Remain two columns are same, minus 1 8 4 5 minus 2 7. Determinant you have to find minus 4 0 8. Delta 2 we get replace second column with the constants in the delta 13 18 20 8 5 7. This is the minus 136 will get. Delta 3 is the replace third column with the constants. First two columns are same, 13 18 20. This is also minus 136. So x value is delta 1 by delta. This is alpha. That is a minus 408 by minus 136. That is the 3 will get. Beta value is delta 2 by delta. That is minus 136 by minus 136. That is a 1. Gamma is delta 3 by delta. That is a 1. Minus 136 by 136. IP important problem. That is a important problem in the IP. That is the reason I remember the values. So alpha, beta, gamma, you got it. Alpha into beta plus beta into gamma plus gamma into alpha. That is 3 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 3. 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 1, 7 is the answer. Copy that problem.